Hello mga kabarangay, today ay magre-review tayo no ng virtual assistant agency na website para madami tayong makilala. At for the longest time no, I've been to like prutas na agencies. I've been to Pineapple, now I'm with Coconut. May nakita ko isa Tibago, no? Avocado. So baka, what if mag-fruit salad tayo, Fruit salad assistant, no? Fruit salad virtual assistant, gano'n. Pero for today, pag-alala natin kung sino ba si Avocado virtual assistant. I've seen this somewhere on Facebook like months ago, and I just wanna know kung sino sila at kung open ba sila sa atin. Ayan. So, they're looking for expert virtual assistants. Okay. So, meaning to say, they are looking for experience already. Hindi siya entry level. Okay. So, nakalagay dyan, are skilled virtual assistants bring professionalism, efficiency, adaptability to meet your business needs. So, yes. Okay. So, very, very, ano siya, guys. Very, very for experienced VAs. Ayun, no, expert. Yung mga term nila, expert. So, yan ang mga hinahanap nila. And, looking at it, guys, no, parang looking at their, ito na ba yung home? Let's see. Kasi may nakalagay dito, book a tutor. I guess hindi lang virtual assistants ang hinahanap nila, pero tutors as well, like online teachers. Ayan, so kakaiba to, no? They don't just look and hire VAs, pero like they also look for tutors. Para siya may online schooling, di ba? Sabi dito at Avocado VA, we are dedicated to providing top-tier VAs that help businesses thrive in today's fast-paced world. Ayan, 'di ba? So, top tier, ibig sabihin, it's a VA agency looking for experience talaga. Okay, I don't know where he's from, but yeah, this is the team. Pak, Plakado, Pak, 'di ba? So that's the team. And then mga VA services na hinahanap nila, real estate, bookkeeping, insurance, EA, medical virtual. May medical VA sila. Sales, e-commerce, CSR, marketing, HR, lead gen recruitment. Wow, nice. Ito din oh. CRM solutions, search engine SEO, video editors, SMM, web developer. Ayan, tutorial, ayan no. Meron nga sila online tutors, guys. So, meron sila yan. Let's see careers. Tingnan natin kung, ayan. Choosing an avocado VA can offer several compelling advantages whether you're an individual seeking for a job or business looking for assistance. Here's why. Okay, kung ikaw ay avocado VA, may work-life balance ka daw. Tapos may variety of task, supportive environment, personal growth, professional development, may training siya, and may tools and global opportunities. Wala akong nakitang ibang benefit na like healthcare and everything. Ayan. So this is for the client side naman. This is client side. But let's see like how to apply as a VA. Ah, and application form. Ayan pala, may application form sila. First name, last name, address, date of birth, email, phone number, resume. You upload your resume here. What positions are you applying for? Available date. Ito yung mga position na available, guys. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung rate. Okay, available start date. What are the specs of your, so medyo ano sila specific with their or particular with the specs of your equipment. Medyo I don't know if this is required backup device. Mukhang specific mukhang particular sila for a backup device. So parang nire-require nila. Tapos tinatanong din nila kung ano ang iyong connection and speed. So tinatanong din nila dito. Pero very simple lang their application form. Ayan. So walang nakalagay na job openings, guys. I don't know if you see, ito yung ano nila, FB group. Ano, FB page. So, naghahanap ako ng mga openings eh. Wala akong nakita openings kanina. So, hanap tayo baka may mga na-post sila dati na job openings. Parang wala. Wala, guys. Wala silang posting na job openings. I don't know why. I don't know where they post their job openings. Ano to? Wala. Wala silang job openings. Weird. Where do I find those job openings? Ito yung community nila. I don't know where to find ito, online tutor. May mga The Voice sila, oh. I don't know where they post their job openings. I'm very curious kung ano ang rates nila at kung ano pang mga benefits nila. There! Wait, sorry ah. Ito yung ano nila, process nila, application process. Fill out the form kanina. Send your, send your CV to this email and wait for your response na after. Very simple lang, 3 easy steps lang. Ito. Qualifications. Wait lang ah. They're looking for an accountant. Ayan. So, ito yung some of the qualifications. Bachelor's degree in accounting or finance. Minimum of 2 years accounting experience. 2 years sa kanila dahil. Strong understanding of US tax and regulations. Proficient in accounting software and Excel. Okay. Sige. Nasaan yung mga ano? Wala silang yung mga like wala sila nung mga hourly rate. Ito. Hindi nila inaano guys. Hindi nila sinispill yung hourly rate. I don't know why. It's not here. Ayun no. Jobs, opportunities, key responsibilities, qualifications, preferred skills. Wala silang job, wala silang like, ano, yung hourly rate or ano yung monthly rate. Hindi naka-disclose. I'm not sure why. Yeah. Vietnamese speaking health or medical insurance VA. Ayan no. Yeah, walang ano siya guys eh. Walang rate. Sana may rate. So yeah, this is another VA agency na you might be interested to apply to Avocado VA. Um I have no idea kung ano ang like ultimate benefits nila or ano yung mga hourly rates nila. But it's another agency to try just in case at least may options kayo. So I hope this video helps you guys. Very simple lang, punta lang kayo sa careers and pwede na kayo mag-apply dito. Makikita nyo na ang application form. That's it for me for today mga mi. Sana ay marami kayong natutunan and I'll see you guys at the next video. Bye-bye.